Today is International Recycling Day, and I want to talk about water recycling because the situation in Bangalore, we all know that there is no water to drink. It's a very bad situation. I'm going to teach you how to recycle water. The biggest problem of water is we are only using it for once and then throwing it away. But this technique where we are going to use a 5-micron filter, fitting it into a drum, and we can reuse lakhs and lakhs of liters of water. Come, let me show you what I have done. So this is the drum. This is a 180-liter barrel which I have taken and good for my house. And I'll show you, this is the filter that we have installed. So the filter you have in my hand, this is exactly, I have taken it from Amazon, which is available. So once the filter I have received, I have taken this drum based on my requirement, and then I have opened the lid, and this is a drill bit. This we fit for 4 inches, available online, and with the help of this drill we made a hole and we have fitted this particular filter in this. And now if you look at it carefully, this is how the drum looks from inside. So this drum is very much been designed where you pour your bath water, your brush water, wash basin water, kitchen water, washing machine water. It will filter all the dust and it will be available here, and with the help of this you can open it and you can use it for non-drinking purpose. It is very important that we learn and start respecting water. It is important that we immediately take up reuse, recycling, which is very important, and use water. Otherwise, all the cities in future is going to face huge water shortage. Please share this information, especially to our friends in Bangalore where there is a major water shortage, and also to everybody. Whoever is consuming water should learn to reuse and respect. Thank you so much.